Those were some of the top headlines that we're tracking at this hour. But moving on to all the queries that our viewers have been sending us, and to answer them, now we are joined by Rupak De, Senior Technical Analyst at LKP Securities. Hi Rupak, good morning. Thank you so much for joining us. So this query is coming from Kishore. He's written to us from Vizag. He has queries on a lot of stocks actually. He's saying, can I buy SpiceJet, Texmaco Rail stocks, Glottis and Canara HSBC Life for the long term at the current price? What would your view be?
So starting with the SpiceJet, I find that the stock has moved above its important moving average. So currently the stock is in a bullish zone, but I think the upside might be limited to 440 to 41 rupees. So currently I would suggest holding the stock with a stop loss of 36.50.
So that was on SpiceJet, and let's move on and let's take this question from Mr. Raghavan from Chennai, and he's got 48 shares of MapMy India bought at 2070, and he wants to know whether he should be holding it or it's a sell call on this particular counter. Mr. Chokalingam, can you answer?
Yeah, sorry.
I'll repeat. This question is actually specifically for you. He's written that later on, the choice of expert. But then, yeah, MapMy India, 20,070 is the price at which he's bought, and he bought it almost 18 months back.
Unfortunately, I'm not updated myself on the stock, so I'm not able to give you.
All right. Rupak, 2070.
So currently the stock has moved up its recent consolidation. I'm finding the stock is in bullish zone. So I would suggest to hold the stock with a stop loss of 1755 till the time it is remaining above 1755. I think there's a possibility that the stock might move towards 2100 in the short term.
Rupak, one more question he has, which is on IRFC, and again, he's been holding it for more than a year now, and 1,000 shares at 31, he says. Rupak?
Yeah, current chart structure is suggesting a negativity around the stock, so I would suggest to hold the stock with a stop loss of 121. If the stock falls below 20, already it is in a bearish zone, but below 121, the stock bearish momentum might increase and the stock might fall down towards 103 in the short term. So hold with a stop loss of 121.
All right, so hold call coming for IRFC, but next, let's move on to the next query then.
Question coming in from Bangalore, and this is Krishna. Rupak, he's holding Zentech 100 shares at the buy price of 1504, and he wants to hold it for 2 to 3 years.
So on the daily chart, the stock has fallen below its recent consolidation. So currently it is in a bearish grip, and it might remain in bearish grip till the time it is remaining below 1550. So I would suggest to reduce quantity at the current level, add back them around 1200.
All right, so that's the view on Zentech. But moving on to the next query, this
Rupak, let's take Anwar's question. This is from Calicut, and he says that upon retirement, when he shifted his portfolio from high growth to high dividend, he bought REC at the rate of 430, and he wants to know if he can still continue to hold on to it.
Yes, definitely. Today it has given a consolidation breakout. Previously it was consolidating within a range. Now today it has given a breakout with a rising volume. So I would suggest to hold the stock for the short to medium term. In the short term, I think 410 should be the target, whereas on the lower end, 370 should be the stop loss.
You want REC?
Other question is coming in from Chandra from Mysore, and Chandra says that he's been holding on to Moscow stock at 2860, 900 quantity. Rupak, this is for you. That's the average price that he's given us. It's for short term. Would you recommend hold on to it?
Yeah, I would suggest to hold the stock with a stop loss of 2700 and she should not let her trading call into investment. So hold with the stop loss, exit below 2700.
All right, so exit below 27. That's the call coming for Mascot Doc. But
again, a longer term question coming in from Mutuzwa, Bombay, Rupak. This is on Geo Finance, and he plans to hold it for 5 years. In fact, he wants to know an entry level rate. So what would you recommend? What level entry?
So I couldn't hear the name of the stock.
All right, it's Geo Finance, and the viewer, Mutuzwa, wants to know the buy price, entry price.
So entry price should be the current price, or if he is a momentum player, then if somebody is momentum player, then buy price would be above 315, but the current price is good for a long-term buy or mid-term buy with a stop loss of 290.
So that's the view on Geo Financial. Thank you so much, Rupak and Mr. Chokkalingam, for joining us today and taking all our queries that our viewers have sent us. That was the last query of the day. On that note, we'll let you go.